In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in PowerPoint using two easy methods. Whether you're looking to create a dynamic presentation or just add a little flair to your slides, knowing how to rotate text can be a handy skill to have in your toolkit. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This is where all the magic begins. Once you have PowerPoint open, you'll need to navigate to your existing presentation or start a new one if you're working from scratch. If you have your presentation ready, find the slide where you want to rotate the text. Click on the text box that you would like to rotate. This will select the text and bring up the necessary editing tools. Now, with your text selected, you'll want to make your way to the Shape Format tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. You'll see various options here dedicated to editing shapes and text boxes, allowing you to format your slide elements with precision and creativity. In this tab, you'll find the Rotate option. Click on it and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. This menu offers several default rotation angles like 90 degrees to the right or left, but today I want to guide you through refining those into something uniquely yours. Instead of selecting a default angle, take a look at more rotation options. Clicking this will open a new dialog box with finer controls over the rotation setting. Don't be daunted by the additional choices presented here. It's all about giving you full reign over how your text looks. In this dialog box, you'll see an option to adjust the rotation angle manually. By clicking on the small arrows next to the angle box or by typing in a specific angle, you'll see your text rotate in real time on the slide. Feel free to use this feature to experiment until you achieve that perfect angle you're envisioning. It allows for creativity and precision, which are key when you're looking to create engaging visual content. Once you've settled on the perfect rotation angle, remember to preview how it looks in the context of your slide. Check to ensure that your text is still readable and aligns with your overall design. If necessary, you can always revisit the rotation settings or utilize other formatting options to adjust the appearance further. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering text rotation in PowerPoint. This simple yet effective skill will enhance the presentation of your ideas, making your slides not only informative but also visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and now it's time for you to try it out on your own.